So, your pet's been living like a squatter in a list for the past 3 years? We fixed that. Pets 2.0 is finally here. With this massive update, it's time to turn your little companion into a freeloading god. With the brand new addition of the pet room system, you can build a home for your active pets. And yes, it's exactly as cool as it sounds. You start with 3 rooms, each being customizable from the doors, walls, windows, flooring, wall decor, and even furniture your pet will absolutely piss on.
How about a little pet?
To start customizing your pet's crib, just run /pet rooms. In each room, there are 6 slots for wall decor and doors, then 9 slots to move things around on the floor. So once you know how to equip one decor type, you know how to do the rest. You can even move your pets between rooms, because even a pet rock deserves a change of scenery. Want more rooms for more pets? Go for it if you can afford it. There's quite a few ways to obtain some new designs too. Some will be available for purchase in the coin, fish, and gem shops, while others can be obtained through just playing. Anyway, point is, you have plenty of room to really get MTV Cribs creative. And this, just the start. The entire pet system's been overhauled. New pet skills, new items to keep your blah babies happy, 3 pet sitters, one of them being an exclusive for you goated premium members, a redesigned view menu, the ability to check out others' pets, and yes, pet breeding finally works. From designing to grinding, we've got you covered. If you're looking for even more details on the Pets 2.0 update, I'll drop a link to the full guide and changelog below. Now go give your little friend some attention and have fun. Sub for more updates and don't forget to touch grass.